and rape place. Oh, before you get some food, I need you to eat healthy today.
Okay.
Ew, no! That's sour. Oh. Ew, too sugary.
Let's get some pop.
Too sugary, darling. Too sugary. Can't have sugar this late. It's 9
How
o'clock.
about beef jerky?
You have an early bedtime. Your bedtime was 7 o'clock.
Let me get this.
No magazine. Probably a magazine.
How about those?
Oyster crackers?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Don't you love my singing voice, darling? I think I should be in the opera.
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
you think?
Can we have tacos?
Ew. Those probably have carbs. Let me see how many carbs we have in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 130 calories. Can't have that, man.
Then let's have
Darling, I don't feeling it.
brownies.
Those are way too fat.
Fine then. Be that way.
Yeah.